Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. In this video, we'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. Both models are designed for compact living spaces, making them ideal for apartments and RVs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $399, making it the more expensive option. In contrast, the Midea MDC22P1ABB is more budget-friendly at $309. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your dishwashing needs. In terms of capacity, the HAVA can hold up to 4 full-place settings, while the Midea offers a larger capacity of 6 place settings. This difference is significant for larger households or those who frequently entertain guests, as the Midea can accommodate more dishes in a single wash. Both dishwashers come with multiple washing programs, but the Midea takes the lead with 8 different options compared to HAVA's 6. This variety allows users to select the most suitable wash cycle for their specific needs, enhancing the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the dishwashing process. In conclusion, both the HAVA and Midea countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages. The HAVA is a great choice for those who prefer a built-in water tank and a compact design, while the Midea stands out with its larger capacity and more wash programs. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.